video, I'm going to teach you how to see the web history in Gmail. Understanding your web history in Gmail can be incredibly useful, especially if you're trying to track down a specific email or just want to understand your usage patterns. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can access this information effortlessly. Firstly, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account if you manage multiple Gmail accounts. This step ensures that you're accessing the right web history. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Gmail dashboard. Here, you'll notice an icon that typically features your profile picture or the initial of your account. When you click on this icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Manage Your Google Account. This selection will redirect you to an entirely separate page where you can manage and review various aspects of your account. Once you've arrived on the Google account page, you'll find it well organized into different tabs for ease of access. For our particular task, focus on locating the Data Privacy tab situated on the left-hand side of the interface. Clicking this tab will display a range of options related to your data. On the Data Privacy page, scroll down a bit until you reach the section titled History Settings. This segment holds the key to accessing your web activities. Under this section, look for the Web App Activity option. This feature consolidates your searches and activities across Google services. Clicking on Web App Activity brings you to a page that offers detailed insights into your past activities. Here, you can see a timeline view of your actions, which includes every search and site visited while logged into your Google account. It's worth noting that if this feature is disabled, you may not see any data. To turn it on, simply move the toggle next to Web App Activity to the on position. If your goal is to see just Gmail-related activities, you might need to use the filters. On the activity page, there's an option to filter by date, product, and more. Selecting Gmail as a filter allows you to drill down into the specifics of Gmail-related activities. In conclusion, accessing your web history in Gmail involves a straightforward navigation through Google account settings. Keeping the Web App Activity feature enabled ensures you can track your actions and retrieve past activity whenever necessary. Remember, managing this data cautiously reflects positively on your digital privacy and security. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.